Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check for iPhone serial number. For example, if you want to know the serial number of your iPhone, and if you want to also get the production date or model of your iPhone by the serial number, so how you can check that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and here you have to look for about. So here you have to simply click on that. So here you can simply find all of the detail about your iPhone. So here you can simply find your serial number, then you have to press and hold the serial number, and you have to simply copy the serial number. And after that, you can also check for your coverage, whether it is available or not. So here you can simply see that your iPhone coverage has been expired. Now if you want to check your iPhone serial number, then you have to simply search for check iPhone serial number. So here you have to simply look for check for whether iPhone is real or not. iPhone is real or not, and you have to search for iPhone real or fake. So you have to check for iPhone real or fake, and you will find the option of here. And you have to look for the official App Store website, where you can simply put your serial number. So you have to look for whether your iPhone is real or fake by your serial number. You have to search for that, and you will find a website, official website of the Apple App Store. By checking serial number, you can simply make sure that whether your iPhone is real or not. So you have to simply check for that, and after checking for that, you have to go for the website, official website of the Apple, and you have to make sure that you can check whether your iPhone is real or not by searching by that website. So you can simply check for the official website of the iPhone, and you can simply put the your serial number, and where you can get all the details about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.